Have you heard about ChatGPT? No, don't worry, we Beyond Intelligence will help you understand ChatGPT in most simplest way. So what is this new buzzword ChatGPT? Is it a new Google? We will address all of these questions today. What is ChatGPT? In a simple language, it is a chatting robot or an artificial intelligent chatbot who can answer your questions queries in the way like humans do. So why we need when we have Google, what it can do for us, how it can help us. It can help you in writing poems. It can compose songs for you if you need help writing job applications. If you are looking some short story for kids, even it can compose an email for you. That's so interesting, right? So if you need help in some of these areas, ChatGPT is your answer. And this is free tool. How it is different from Google or other search engine. It has a human touch in the responses. To start and use, create your account, log into the website, type your query in search box, and that's it. Enjoy your responses. We will show you real examples, but before that, please subscribe and ring the bell to watch more videos, get notified and enrich your knowledge. You are not a poet, but you want to write a poem. What you do? It is best way to impress someone, but cannot help as you are not a poet. Don't worry. The ChatGPT is there to help you. Type your request in the search box with specific title of the poem or situation you want to compose. For example, we are writing a poem on star and also want it in Hindi language. That's it. ChatGPT composing the poem for you. It has been trained with 300 billion token of words. It learns its own. It has rich dictionary. It is not getting the content from other sources over internet. Every time you type the poem request, it will generate a new poem. Isn't that interesting? Let's take another example. It is your friend's birthday and you want to write a birthday message. It is tough to write personalized message right. We all struggle, don't worry. Below example shows you writing a message for Rohit, wishing his 18th birthday. Type your request and ChatGPT do it for you. Wow, that's so interesting, right? Let's see another example of writing job application. You can write a job application with your customized details, rich words and grammar with the help ChatGPT. You can provide your details as input. And ChatGPT will generate the application with all details and correct grammar. It has strong language processing tools and data store. We used to spend hours and hours for this type work. ChatGPT made it easy. If you are a student or a teacher, ChatGPT can be a great help. It can help in writing research paper, essays, feedbacks, reviewing assignments. If you are preparing for competitive exams, it helps you in generating sample questions. In this example, we see generating questions for bank PO exam. You can generate questions for any field you want. There might be some restriction of its usage in future. Till then, enjoy. ChatGPT is AI-based and its learning and capability is keep increasing. I hope you enjoyed our examples and usage of ChatGPT. It is the new revolution in interactive model of communication. We Beyond Intelligence team add simplicity to the complex topics. We go one step above intelligence. Add yourself to our channel for more brain activity.